have a breaking update on the twin encounters that are underway in Kulgam. We're learning that another terrorist has been gunned down. This makes it a total of 5 terrorists that have been killed so far in these encounters. Earlier, 2 soldiers had been martyred and 4 terrorists had been killed. We're crossing over to my colleague Sahil to get us more on this. Sahil, the breaking update is that 5 terrorists have been killed. Bring us more information on the encounters.
Yes, of course, 5 terrorists have been killed by the security forces. 2 soldiers were also killed in action during these 2 impact anti-terror operations which are underway in South Kashmir's Kulgam district. These anti-terror operations are basically underway at 2 different locations in Kulgam district, and we are reporting from one such location, which is Chinni Gam Kulgam. And Vijay Shafiq continues to show you the images of this area where this operation is underway. Security forces had input about the presence of 4 to 5 terrorists hiding in a residential house in this particular locality, following which search and cordon operation was initiated. During that search operation, there was an exchange of gunfire and the encounter started. Today is the day 2nd of this operation, and so far 4 terrorists have been killed. We are also getting, in fact, from official sources that 1 terrorist has been killed in Mudargam encounter, which is also underway from yesterday. Today is the 2nd day of that impact operation as well. The dead body has been spotted with the help of drone cameras that continue to remain in air and keep a surveillance on encounter spots in and around the encounter spots. So both these anti-terror operations are underway in South Kashmir's Kulgam district. 2 important operations, in fact, being conducted by joint security forces, by jointly Indian Army, Jammu and Kashmir Police and CRPF is together, in fact, conducting these operations. There is possibility of more 3 terrorists hiding in fact, in these areas where these anti-terror operations are underway. So security forces leaving no stone unturned to trace all in fact militants who they believe are hiding in the area. There was input about 7 to 8 terrorists hiding at both locations. Out of those 7 to 8 terrorists, security forces have successfully killed 5, while as hunt for the rest of the hiding militants continues here in South Kashmir's Kulgam district. Back to you.
Sahil, when we take a look at anti-terror operations in the valley, what exactly poses as a challenge or an obstacle for forces when they're hunting down terrorists?
Well, of course, I would like to request my VJ to show the area where this operation is taking place. The dense vegetation basically is the challenge that security forces had to face during these encounters. What we are learning from the sources is that yesterday morning there was cordon search operation in this impact area. That operation was basically closed, but then security forces again received information suggesting that the terrorists are hiding in this area. So security forces, in fact, facing this sort of challenge here in Kashmir Valley. It's the dense vegetation that's in and around, in fact, in rural areas of Kashmir, particularly when we speak about South Kashmir, which is Kulgam, Shupaya, and Pulwama district. We have, in fact, large and dense apple orchards, and there's other sort of vegetation that, in fact, poses a challenge. While as in other areas of, in fact, Kashmir, Jammu and Kashmir, which is Rajouri and Poonch, as Kulgam and Shupaya, that is the forest area, the in fact mountainous areas where the terrain is difficult. Security forces have their logistic issues. There are other terrain issues, and the dense forests are there in Rajouri and Poonch and Kulgam and Shupaya as well. But this is the rural and plain area of South Kashmir's Kulgam district where these 2 operations are underway. Here the major challenge for security forces, of course, remains the dense vegetation, but then the human intelligence network of security forces is up, and they are generating input and information about the movement of these militants basically who operate in South Kashmir. Now what we are learning from the sources is that in this particular operation where security forces have killed 4 militants, out of them 1 is said to be a top commander who was active from 2015 in South Kashmir's Kulgam district. Yes, of course, We will wait for the official confirmation on this part, but there are security forces who have their intelligence networks and other impact grids that help them to locate and move the militants in impact in South Kashmir or in other parts of Kashmir Valley.